Hey everyone, so for the past few months I've been trying out this dietary supplement which has thousands and thousands of 5-star reviews on Amazon. This is the Genius brand. This particular supplement, they're calling it the Genius Mushroom, so I think this is the original that really brought their success. They are advertised to help improve cognitive function, so it also helps you to remember things better. And I was thinking, because I'm just tired all the time during the day, and I can tell that my memory has not been as good as it used to, I figured I might as well give this a shot to see if it can help improve my memory recall. So one of the inserts when you open the box is actually saying that you can get a free bottle of another Genius product. I did try to do this, but it really didn't work out for me. I don't know if anybody had any success for this. There's no real strings attached. They don't force you to do a review or anything like that. So I'm obviously not paid to make my review here, and as a skeptic myself, I was wondering if this would truly help boost my cognitive function. So everything I say in this video is my own. It's unbiased. It's not in any way associated with the brand Genius at all. But anyways, taking a look at the container out of the box, it has all the same information that you would find on the box itself, so you can easily throw it away and not have to worry about missing the supplement facts or other disclaimers on the box. So feel free to pause the video at any time if you want to look at the supplement facts in more detail. But anyways, this is mostly composed of 3 mushrooms that have been kind of known to boost cognitive function, and those are lion's mane, Cordyceps, and Reishi. These come in a total of 90 of these capsules, which are initially sealed away for freshness, and also has a cotton piece in it to absorb any moisture to prevent mold or fungus from producing on these pills. The shape is an elongated cylinder, and I would say it's probably a medium size. I don't know if some of you may have a little bit of qualms when picking out your pill sizes, but it's pretty easy to swallow. Just take it with some water about 20 minutes before a meal 3 times a day. That's what the suggestion is on the container. So if you do the math and you follow their recommendation, you will finish this container in about a month, which is well before its expiration date, which you can find right here. Because you have to take this multiple times a day, and I didn't want to take this size container with me, I ended up distributing some of the pills into a smaller container so I could take with me in my bag. I decided to conduct a not really scientific experiment, but I would try to follow the procedure 3 times a day for a week, just taking this to see if I felt like I remember things better, if I was a little bit more awake at work, and then I tried a week without it to see if there's really any difference. And I have to say, I definitely did notice that I was a little bit more awake, like I wasn't all groggy and had sometimes almost fall asleep at the wheel when I'm commuting, and I also was able to recall information more than I would normally be. And I'm pretty sure this is not a placebo effect, just because I did this for several weeks on end, and whenever I forget to take it for long periods of time, I did notice that I was less alert during the day. So I do think these do make a little bit of a difference. It's not super drastic, it's not like caffeine or anything like that, but it's very subtle that you just are able to stay awake a little bit better, remember things a little bit better. So I do think they work. I'm not too sure about the price that they're selling these for, because I know they're like Chinese medicine equivalents that are a little bit less and essentially do the same thing, but at least they do work as advertised. So if you want to give these a shot, they're around $20 when I bought it. The link will be in the description for you guys to check it out. This is actually the first time that I've tried out a food supplement, so this kind of opens my mind to trying out other supplements. So if you guys have any recommendations, then you can also leave it in the comment section down below, and maybe I'll give those a shot as well.